But whoso hath this world's good, and seeth his brother have need, and shutteth up his bowels of compassion from him, how dwelleth the love of God in him? 1 John 3:17. Meaning of the verse. If someone has the resources and blessings of this world, but sees another person in need and refuses to help, even though he can, then how can he claim that God's love is in him? In simple words, God's love is active. Love is shown through action, not just feelings. If we ignore others' suffering when we can help, our love is empty and not like God's love. God gave us blessings so we can bless others. Story: The Closed Gate. There once lived a farmer named Daniel who owned a large orchard full of fruit trees. His neighbor, Joseph, lived with his wife and 2 children in a small hut next door. Joseph worked hard, but a drought struck the land. His crops failed and his children often went to sleep hungry. Daniel noticed all of this. Every morning, he saw Joseph walking sadly and his children growing weaker. But Daniel's orchard continued to produce plenty. He harvested baskets of apples and stored them in his barn. One evening, Joseph came to Daniel and said with tears, "Brother, could you spare some fruit? My children haven't eaten today." Daniel felt pity, but he feared that if he gave some away, he might not have enough for himself later. So he pretended not to hear Joseph's pain and said, "Sorry, I cannot help you. I have my own needs to think about." That winter, a terrible storm hit. Daniel's barn roof collapsed and most of his stored fruit was spoiled. He was left with very little. Now Daniel himself was in need. Joseph saw this and, without hesitation, brought the soup his wife had cooked, offering it to Daniel. "You helped me many times in the past with advice," Joseph said kindly. "Let me help you now." Daniel, ashamed and moved to tears, realized he had plenty but closed his heart to his brother. Joseph had little but opened his heart with love. Daniel changed. When his orchard flourished again, he shared freely. His farm became a place where no one nearby ever went hungry again. Lesson: Real love gives, even when it feels costly. God's love within us is revealed by mercy, generosity, and compassion. Blessings are not meant to be hoarded, they are meant to flow like a river to those in need. Thus, the verse asks us to reflect: if God has loved us, how can we refuse love to others?